Today I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw your money from eBay quickly and simply. So first things first, this is the page you need to get to, but how do you get there? Head over to ebay.com. Once you're on to eBay, you'll see a button in the top left-hand corner that says sign in or register. Select sign in and proceed to go onto your account. Then once you're logged into the home page, on the top left-hand corner, you're going to see your name, and below that, it's going to say account settings. Click on account settings. It brings you up to all the different functions. From here, I would select payments. It may redirect you to your GB site if you're in the UK, or the EU site, or if you're on the American site, then .com might be fine. So for example, because we typed in ebay.com, it's now going to redirect me to ebay.co.uk. If you're smart, maybe you've already done this, unlike me. But once I get redirected, it's going to come up to a page with my balance, shop on eBay, cover selling needs, or withdraw anytime. From this arrow, I can select this tick. I can scroll down and you'll see withdraw. I can select withdraw. It's going to show me my bank account. I can type in how much I would like to withdraw. And then I can simply select that button and the money will enter my bank. I hope this helped you out. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe down below.